in the other end. Q and W only in the other end. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Q and W only. 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 Go back. 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 Go back.
Oh,
Go back.
my glacial got cancelled.
Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back.
Yes, my
Q and W. Q and W.
blazing
Q and W. 7 seconds. We're gonna engage. Okay. Wait.
Be careful, tanks. They're trying to kidnap.
Dart, you're 2 para? Dart Phantom. Or whatever your name.
If you get kidnapped, just pop your.
Ready? Q and W again. 5, 4,
Mac.
3, 2, 1. Q and W only. Q and W only. Q and W only. Q and W only. Okay, go back. 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 Okay, in the middle of the bridge. In the middle of the bridge.
Stop
5,
them.
4, 3, 2, 1. In the middle of the bridge. In the middle of the bridge.
Go shallow,
Go
guys.
back. Go 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 back.
We're hitting again.
Fine, fine.
Stopping.
Heals.
A bit rock them.
Nice blazing. Q and W in the middle. Q and W. Don't run. Q and W. Kidnap these guys. Hold.
Nice.
Hold. Another fake. I'm gonna fake again, huh? Just throw your Q and W. The middle of the bridge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the middle of the bridge. Q and W only. Holy shit, we killed one there. Oh, nice. Okay. Hold. Go back.
8 seconds, Mac.
Go back. We're gonna take advantage on Kerlane's bomb. Okay? Hold. Ker, you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Wait,
Fake again. Wait. Fake again in the middle of the bridge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fake only. Cancel.
I cancelled agad.
Okay. Q and W. Keep on Q and W. Keep on using your Q and W. Kill these guys. Okay. Wait. 10 seconds, huh? Wait. This time we're gonna engage. Be ready to. Okay, wait. 5 seconds.
Not yet. They still
Ready,
have
ready?
engaged. They have engaged.
Yeah, it's fine. We're gonna headbutt.
You need to headbutt them now.
Okay, wait.
Beam me,
In
Mac.
the middle, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the middle. Go back. Go back. Defensive blazing, be ready.
Oh shit.
Nice. Hold. Defensives in front.
They engaged already.
Defensives in front. Okay. Ready. Wait. How many seconds DPS?
10.
6 seconds.
Push.
We can walk. Yeah, we can walk.
Ready.
We can walk.
5 seconds.
Ready.
Hold.
Ready.
Push. Look in
Just
the
walk.
east side. Look in the east side. Shallow only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only. Okay? Be ready? Go back.
Silence.
Go back. Be ready for defensives, ah. Rootbound. Be ready for rootbound. Okay, hold. Hold. I'm gonna hit dub one again.
They're kidnapping me. Heal. Oh fuck. I'm
Heal.
dead.
Okay.
Mac, beam me.
Okay.
Heal
Shallow
too.
again.
I got
Shallow. We got bedrock. Unlucky.
Ready.
Kill this guy. Kidnap him. Go back.
You should have your DPS stuck on you and use that pull, Mia, on the
Yeah. Wait.
I forgot to record.
Q and W on this guy. Q and W on this guy.
Beam me.
Q and W only. Wait. Q and W. On the step tank. Q and W. Keep on hitting them. Q and W. Nice. Do we have gloves? Can we kidnap this guy?
Whoever runs out of death tanks first wins.
Get harpoon. That'll be good.
Wait. Perma, Habi,
Mac,
and
are you
Tofu.
ready, Mac? Beam me.
It's a fake. Habi and Tofu only, ah. The rest is Q and W. Habi and Tofu.
Okay.
Be ready?
Yeah.
Shallow. Wait. Not yet. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Habi and
Gago nag-ulti yung iba mo.
fucking hell, I said Habi and go back.
Watch your OC timers
Habi and
too,
Tofu
guys.
only.
Listen guys.
Ready for defensive now.
I bid rock.
Heal. Not enough. Heal. We push now. We push now.
Ready.
Night
Ready, perma.
helm. Where's my night helm? Night helm. Wait. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only. Holy shit, huge. Oh, ASAP almost dead.
Silence,
Go
bro.
back,
Oh my
go
god, I
back,
hit
go
a
back.
clerical.
Catch this
Okay,
guy. Catch this guy. Go back. Hurry up and go back.
They're pushing.
Defensive. Pin heal in front. Heal in front. Wait. Kidnap highly.
Ready.
Kidnap highly. Okay, be ready? Push.
Ready.
Push. Southeast, shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow.
Bro, the heavy
Go
miss.
back. This heavy mage is annoying as fuck.
Napapurge ako ng heavy miss.
Heals in front. Fuck, who died?
You're the
Phantom.
Phantom.
Okay. QW in front. What is that bedrock? Where did you bedrock him? Oh, we killed some.
So,
Okay.
I think
Let's go southwest.
try
Go
to
southwest.
get
Go
opening.
southwest. Yeah. Let's go southwest. Southwest and hold.
Mia, let's kill the heavy miss.
Yeah, we need to. Wait.
Do you have spike?
Shallow again. Q and W only. Only perma will drop Ia. Only perma.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only perma. Nice. Go back. Q and W on these guys.
You can kill it.
QW. Kill them.
They push-
Blazing,
oh.
Happy blazing.
Ready.
Defensive.
Demon mo.
Hold. Heal.
Ready.
Heal. Shallow in the choke. 5,
Counter,
Four.
Mia.
3, 2, 1. Shallow in the choke. Where's my other blazing?
We got stopped by HOG inside us.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Do we still have blazing?
5
You
seconds.
lost your glacial and when you only have one glacial.
Okay, it's fine.
12 seconds, please. 6 seconds,
12 seconds. Hold.
6 seconds. Perma.
Hold.
Okay.
Your OC
Please
good?
let me.
OC is good or what?
We only have 2 healers. How do I play this?
I think they have like
One
two
healer,
options.
low
We're
mana, bro.
gonna headbutt. Be ready for gigapats, ha?
Okay.
Gigapats now. In the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the choke. Blazing.
They're bedrock,
Where's
they're
my
bedrock.
blazing?
I drop my blazing.
Yeah, they're bedrock. You got no life
Dead.
help.
Hold. Defensives now. Hold. In the
They're pushing.
middle. In the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the choke.
No E. Mia, I don't have my cooldowns.
Go back. Run. Done. We're done.
Ready, man. Just
Yeah,
not bad.
I'm dead.
Oh shit.
Wala ko cooldowns on, Mia. 5 seconds. Even with assassin.
GG's.
Is there Death Tarsa stopping us?
No, I think the heavy miss is even more annoying.
Yeah,
Rather
it was
than the
bullshit, man. I was using my E to get back to our Zerg. It keeps getting interrupted. Isn't it supposed to be uninterruptible?
Wait, you're playing
Let me
Grove
leave.
Keeper, right?
Yeah, I was with Grove. I got kidnapped. I was using my E to get back to you guys.
We're also being